Hello, welcome to the kitchen. Today I'm going to make curry. You might think it's Japanese curry. Yeah, originally it's Japanese food, but Korean also have our own curry. Well, so today I'm going to introduce Korean one and compare with Japanese curry. And of course, going to make Korean curry dish today. We're using beef. Well, I hope you enjoy today's recipe. Korean and Japanese curry quite similar. This one is Korean one. As you can see, this is powder type. I choose a slightly spicy flavor. This is a most common Japanese curry mix you can get in Korea. You will get to know how to cook this from the package. Even Korean one tell you how to cook, quite similar. If you follow the steps they suggest, it's really easy to cook. Anyway, I will show you a Japanese curry mix first. There must be other type of curry mix, but this is mostly common one. So if you open, there are two parts. Well, they say one part, this much for 6 servings. Well, depends on how much you will eat though. After you open, you will see this kind of curry paste or curry mix ball. Looks like chocolate. Well, I'm not going to use this today, so I'm going to show you Korean curry mix powder. Compared to Japanese curry mix, Korean one looks more yellowish. It's a kind of granule type, so it's easy to dissolve in the water. Well, I think I can start to cook. I prepared oyster blade parts today, but any kind of steak meat would be alright, and vegetables you like. When I make curry, I always put potato, onion, carrot, and button mushroom if possible. I use broccoli this time, but zucchini is okay too. I chopped all like this, and I usually chop into big pieces. But if you do not have enough time to cook, you can make it smaller. I usually boil much longer than the recipe on the package suggested. That's why I usually chop into big pieces. Anyway, I heated the oil in a wok and then just stir fry, starting with beef. When the beef starts to get golden brown, add the vegetables, starting from carrot and potatoes. When the potatoes and carrots get softer slightly, then add other vegetables. You can add all the vegetables at once for stir frying, but anyway, this is what I do. Curry is a really good dish when you have leftover vegetables. You can just add all the ingredients you have to finish off. Something like a 볶음밥, stir-fried rice. When vegetables get soft, just add water, enough to cover all the ingredients. It looks a lot for one sachet, but trust me, it's okay. And then lid on and leave it until it boils. When it starts to boil, I'm going to get rid of some bubbles and scums. Now you can add the curry powder directly like that and keep stir to dissolve the powder completely well. And then mix well. From now on, all you have to do is just stirring from time to time. Usually, I boil this roughly 30 minutes until it gets thicker. I think a Korean curry looks yellow, more yellow than Japanese one, and taste is more savory. I think a Japanese one slightly sweeter than this. But it's a really personal taste, and they are all good. Well, I think it's done. Usually serve on the rice. That's why we call curry rice for this dish. And you know what? It really goes well with kimchi. Somehow the taste gets even better on the next day. Well, it's so easy to make, isn't it? Well, if you can get any Korean curry powder or paste from Asian market or around you, anyway, then just try it. You wouldn't be disappointed. Well, anyway, thanks for watching and see you next time.